a 2 right, 60 slippy, and a left, 5 left slippy. All gravel around here now. 5 left. Very long 1 right, long 4 right, and a 2 right. 1, 4, and a 2, and then you have a long fast 4 left. 4 left, 130, and a care 3 left over the crest, and a very long 3 right. Care 3 left over the crest, very long 3 right, and then you have a 2 left, 170, and a 4 left, 4 right. 170, 4 left, 4 right, 40, and a 4 right again after the lane. 4 right, and 4 right again after the lane. You have a 2 left, and a left, 4 left, don't cut at the gate. And a 4 right, 2 left, and 40 and a tight 3 left past the gate. 3 left past the gate. 60 and a slow 1 left over the crest. And a 4 right and a care along 3 left, continues for 80 and nips back to 3. Care along 3 left, continues for 80 and nips. 100 up the middle, tight 3 left in past the gate, very loose. 3 left in past the gate, very loose, and a left 4 right. Left 4 right, 150. 150 now to turn square right. Turn square right. 1 right 60, 1 left 350. Keep at it. 350 now, 1 left and 300. 1 left, 300, turn hairpin left, over gravel. Turn hairpin left, 300. 1 right over the crest. Going back. 1 left and 1 left over the crest. And then you 60 to a 2 right in over the crest. 2 right in, 130, and 1 right over the crest again. 1 right over the crest again, down to 2 right, 40 to care, 1 right over the crest jump. 2 right, 1 right over the crest jump, and a 2 right up over the crest jump. Then you 80 to middle over crest to the top, and right on black crest, 230 down. 230 down, so 1 left, only 60 sharp, 4 right, don't touch the 1 left, only 60, 4 right. 2 right over the crest. 60, crest, only 60 down, so 4 right to the top of the bottom. 4 right after the crest. 40, 1 right over the crest, and a 4 left, water, remember, slip. 4 left, and then you have a caution, 4 left narrows over the bridge. 4 left, 130, turn 5 right. Turn 5 right. Long fast 4 right over the crest. 4 right over the crest, 2 left, 80 and a 5 left, don't cut. 80, 5 left, don't cut. Fast 4 right and a fast 3 left. 4 right, 3 left. 1 right into a 2 right and a fast 3 right through the dip. Fast 3 right through the dip and a fast 3 right again. 1 left over the crest. 60 flat crest, 100, slow 2 right, and a square left, don't cut. Slow 2 right, square left, don't cut. A long open, hairpin right. Very long 3 left, tightens to a 5 left in. 3 left, tightens to a 5 left in. Leg long, 5 right, 40 and a 2 left. 5 right, 2 left. 60 and a fast 4 left, 40 and a fast 4 left in. 4 left, 40, 4 left in. Very long 3 right, opens to a 2 right over the crest. 3 right, opens to a 2 right over the crest. Long 2 left over the crest, only 60, crest 4 right. 2 left, only 60, crest 4 right. 3 left, 80. Caution, long crest and a slow 2 left, tightens to a 4 left. Caution, long crest, slow 2 left, tightens to a 4 left. 60, long 2 right, tightens to a 3 right. 2 right over the crest, tightens to a 3 right. And then you've got 2 right, 130. 2 right, 130, short 4 left, opens to a 2 left. Short 4 left, opens to a 2 left. Then you have 2 right, 40 and 2 right over the crest. 2 right, 40, 2 right over the crest, and a 2 left, water baby. 2 left, water baby, 150 to a 5 right, don't cut slipping. 5 right, don't cut slipping. Left, 5 left after it. 5 left now, 60 and a 4 right. You have a 4 right here, square left don't cut, 40 and a left, square right don't cut. Square left here, and a square right don't cut, left. Right top. 5 left, 80, new surface, 5 right. 5 right, 40, 5 left. 5 left, 60, and a left, 5 right, don't cut, sudden hairpin left. Left, 5 right, don't cut, sudden hairpin left. Long 3 right, tightens to a sharp 5 right. 3 right, tightens to a sharp 5 right. And you have 4 left into a 5 left, don't cut. 3 right, 1 left, and a fast 5 right. Fast 5 right. 2 left, 3 left. 2 left into a 3 left. And along 2 right, 3 left, don't cut. Only 60 and a 5 right over the bridge. 3 left, only 60, 5 right over the bridge. 2 left, long 2 right. And a 3 right, 3 left, 3 right, don't cut. 3 right, 3 left, 3 right, to a 4 left at the wall. Flat crest, 1 left, 40. Flat 3 right, caution 3 right, caution 3 right, and a very long 3 left over the crest, nips after the gate. 3 left over the crest, nips into a 4 right, and a jump and a caution 4 left. Caution 4 left, 80, 2 right and a 4 left again. 2 right and a 4 left again. And a 4 right, short 4 left over the crest, don't cut. 80, long 3 right up. Long 3 right up, and a very short 4 left knee, 100 up bumpy. 4 left knee, 100 up bumpy. 2 right, 2 left. And a caution 1 left over the crest, tightens to a 3 left into a 3 right. Then you go 1 left, and a 3 left, 3 right, and a short 5 right, and a 4 left. Short 5 right, 4 left. 40 up to a short 5 left, 5 left there, and then you go 2 right, don't cut. That's a wrap. 2 right, don't cut. 100 up the middle to a caution, 2 left, 3 right at the top. Caution 2 left, 3 right at the top. Then you have a caution crest, 4 right, 4 left. 2 right down, 60, and a 1 left care, very long 2 right tightens. 1 left care, very long 2 right tightens. 3 left after it. 1 right, and then right on crest for a 2 left, and a short 4 right, don't cut. 4 right, don't cut. 3 left, and a 2 right, 2 left. So you have a very long 2 right now, continues to 100. Bumpy to the 4 right, don't cut. 4 right. 4 left through the dip, and a short 4 right. 4 left through the dip, short 4 right. 4 right, 2 left over the crest, 60 and a 5 left. 5 left. 60, short 4 right over the jump. Short 4 right over the jump. 2 left and a square right. Square right, oh, 4 right, long, 3 left over the crest, tightens to a 5 left. 3 left, tightens to a 5 left. 2 left, very short, 5 right. 5 right. 3 left and a 3 left, don't cut after it. 3 left, don't cut now, 40, 3 right, 130. 3 right, 130. 4 right, 1 left, 4 right, 1 left. 61 right and a 2 right, and a slow 2 left, don't cut for a short 4 right. Slow 2 left, don't cut for a short 4 right. 3 left, 40. 40 now, 2 left, 2 right, only 60, 4 right, neat. 4 right, neat. 61 right over the crest and 60 bumpy. 4 left, and a caution 2 right over the crest, and a caution 1 left, bumpy. 1 left, bumpy. 2 left, double jump, and a long fast 3 left. 3 left, 80, 3 left over the front, and a long 3 right, slippy over the finish. 3 right, slippy over the finish.